Table items for affirmation. Nzu symbolizes peace and unity. By using Nzu, we are calling on our individual, ancestral, and familiar spirits to join us in this process and manifest our intentions. Edu. This symbolizes forgiveness in areas we may have gone short of our ancestral mandate or have offended ourselves in our neighbor. Dry gin or nkwoku. Okenye tacho ji ojiri mmanya bụcha ọnụ. When an elder is giving kola nuts, he should be given libation to clean his mouth. We use gin to address issues that are headstrong. Kola nut or gin. This symbolizes communion